Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidered designs for baby girls. So all of these video collection contains very beautiful, elegant and eye-catchy patterns of hand embroidered designs for baby girl frocks, baby girl dresses. These designs are absolutely favorable for designing their summer dresses. And as you know that Eid is near, so these dresses would be comfortable, breathable, elegant, stylish, and at the same time you can complete the festive look of your baby girl with the help of these very beautiful and elegant patterns of embroidery. And one more thing, guys, the beauty and creativity of these patterns is that they are two in one. That is, you can use them equally for machine embroidery, computer embroidery, digital embroidery, or any type of other embroidery stuff by following these exact patterns along with the color combinations of flower, leaves, and the other embroidery patterns involved in this. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. The beauty and creativity of this video is not only limited to this, you can also get very beautiful, stylish and trendy ideas of stitching also, and how you can stitch the dress, how you can give the final outfit look to the baby girl dress, frock, or any type of apples. So on my channel, you can get all type of amazing, trendy, and thousands of designs relevant to hand embroidery. So if you are interested in more and you are watching my video for the very first time and you have explored my channel for the first time, then please go to my channel different playlists and explore thousands of creative, beautiful, and eye-catchy designs. Until then, guys, stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. If you really like them, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most and which you are going to try. And we never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent of sharing designs and creativity with you is to share some sort of beautiful designs with the community, friends, artists, and the persons who are lovers of hand embroidery and hand art. Thank you so much for watching.